In this video tutorial I will show you how to create a Steam account on your mobile phone. First, open any web browser. Search for Steam. Open the first result. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on Login. Scroll down and select Create an account. Now enter the email address that you want to use for Steam, and they will automatically enter your country. Confirm that you are not a robot. And confirm that you are at least 13 years of age. They will send you an email. So open your mail. And verify your Steam account. Then go back to our web browser. To finish creating our account, enter your Steam account name and choose a password for your account. And we've successfully created our Steam account on mobile.